Hey, watch me do a custom puppet order, and this is for an order to the UK. Now, I start with a blank puppet like this. The first step is to get the hair sewn on, and my wife does that for me. And I love these new hair pieces, they're really cute. This is the character I have to make. I actually made one, but I sold it within minutes of putting it on the website, and 2 people bought it at the same time. So this is the second one. The shirt isn't exactly the same, but I got close to it with this nice yellow sort of retro style shirt. So that goes on with the blue overalls. Shirt first, and then these overalls go on. These are all handmade by our tailor, especially for the puppets. They're really cute. Okay, so next step is the face, the important part. This guy wants a brown round nose, so I pull out the big tub, and here we go. That's a small one, and I also have a big one here somewhere on my table. There it is. I decided to go for the bigger one. I think it looks much better for this puppet. Contact cement. Wear a mask, it's really strong. So you put some on the puppet nose and the other part goes on the puppet face. Now, I waited a few minutes. As soon as they connect, that's done. That is there for good. Really strong glue. I do the same thing to the eyes, a little bit on the back of the eyes, and then I practice a bit with the placement, get it just right, and then I add those on as well. Here comes the glue to the face. This is really hard to do with one hand, but I was very careful, and there's the glue on the face. Wait a few minutes, and then I add the 2 eyes, and now he's basically done. There's his little eyes. I push them on, and I let him sit for a couple of hours and let that dry, and the puppet is finished. But oh, we need some shoes, so I go to the shoe rack. I have a whole bunch of different colors, but this time we're going for the dark blue, and I chose the cute yellow socks for this guy. I think it looks nice. There he is. Next step is a practice test. Just put him on and make sure everything's working properly. And he's a really cute little character. I love this guy. And then I take him over to my little home studio where I take some photos for the customer. Then we have a bit of a chat before I bag him up and get him ready for shipping. Step 1 is I put some bubble wrap around the head to keep it safe. And then we get one of our Pubbets Lab carry bags, and the puppet ships inside there nicely. Every order gets a gift, so this time I gave him a prop microphone, a pen, and this cute little purse from Thailand, and that's it.